During this Christmas season, I decided to take you guys to Consolata Shrine in Westlands so you can see how we celebrated our Christmas this year 2023. So this is Consolata Shrine in Westlands. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Dolores Aranji. Watch, share, subscribe, like my video. So we are already in the church. This is the parking space here in Consolata. Yeah, and there's construction going on, and as you can see, this is a very big church. It's a very huge church. So here we are at the church, and I'm heading to the church now. You see, it's a very big church. We are having a white Christmas tree. Look at it, how beautiful it is. So guys, as I was telling you, look how big the church is. That is it. Yeah, so I can hear there is mass going on. So guys, I won't be able to show you around at this time because I want to join others in the church for the mass. I'll just show you at the entrance how they have decorated the entrance area. There's the Christmas tree. Very beautiful, yeah. And now that's the entrance of the church. So right now guys, let me join others in the church for the mass, and then I'll get back to you guys later and show you around the church. I will go show you the manger. I'll show you how the church is all decorated. See you guys later. So after the mass is ended, let me show you guys. This is the altar. They have also put baby Jesus at the altar. There's baby Jesus, there's Mother Mary, there's Joseph. Very cute decoration. So let me take you now guys to the manger. Gloria in excelsis Deo. This is a Latin sentence which means glory in the highest to God. Wow, see, they have really arranged this place like a manger, like a real manger, and it's very spacious. So this is the place where the baby Jesus was born. Here it's where the cows feed on. They have also put hay inside. Wow, this is so creative. I think this is the space where the cows sleep, the cows spend their time. This area. There is the lamp, now where Jesus was born. Here is the angel Gabriel, who announced the birth of Jesus. Angel Gabriel, all in white. There is the sheep that came with the shepherds. They are all adoring Jesus, the new baby. Here is the fireplace. That is the donkey that Joseph and Mary rode on their way here. There are the 3 wise men carrying their gifts. The 3 wise men, and their stars looking down. All the stars that were looking down on baby Jesus. Now this is the whole view in the manger. Look how beautiful it is. Also, people come here not only for the mass, but also to sing the Christmas carols. My nephew enjoyed the place. We all enjoyed the place. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you also enjoyed, and I ask you guys to subscribe.